Price of what it is in Illinois, but their fuel tax is only 28 cents, and there really is no money in the cracks, but refiners are getting their punch check every time they find the price of the wholesale and turn it into refining. That's where Flying J went bankrupt, was not on the truck stops, but on the refineries, and they're just getting their front handed to them by the market, and that's what bankrupted Flying J, not the truck stops.
Let me ask you this, Sean, as far as the fuel price is concerned, your company pick all of that up, did they pass it back to the customer in fuel surcharge?
So it looked like his wife was moving when they were having sex. Turn.
There's demand for that, right? Latin America. How big of a player is China in all of this?
They are a big player on the global market. Contracts for the supply of crude oil directly with countries around the world, and a lot of that market, a lot of that is actually not traded on world markets. So
that across the line. You need to make a left. Why didn't you get the left turn lane when you were long?
The next 10 or 15 years, which has kind of been a smart move on our part.
Running the red light. Bus. There's no left turn right here, and this guy's gonna, or no right turn. This guy's gonna make a right turn. That was kind of running red, don't you think? These people are all fools. Come on. Aren't you supposed to wait your turn? There's 2 left turns here.
Concentration camps.
And he doesn't even blink.
It's so great because it's like every DJ that we know, they never listen.
They just ran a red light.
And they have no soul. There was a Saturday Live or something where they used to do that. Remember the DJ?
I finally took the wheels off this Corvette. This thing's been sitting here for the last 4 or 5 years. There was a fire about a year or 2 ago. There was a tarp on it. There was a fire which overheated it, burned the tarp. That's new damage. That fiberglass is all new damage. Somebody tore this thing up trying to get those wheels off. What a shame. Something's going on. Oh, come now. Papers? Filters. Stopping for filters on the highway. That got embarrassing.
start to see fleets and other corridors starting to take advantage of the technology.
Okay. Anything I'm leaving out?
Gary, or maybe February.
Okay.
Truck drivers are real-life American heroes, and no one knows that better than Progressive. Visit ProgressiveCommercial.com today. United Financial Casualty Company.
He couldn't turn in this driveway and flip. He had to try to do a three-point turnabout right there. And run a stop sign.
I love your call. Thank you, Joey. All right, love you. All right, love you too. Joey Booth saying that he did not like Jimmy's show.
Jimmy's a good guy, and I think he's a talented guy, and I would gladly do his show if he wanted.
I thought he did want you to. And you said no.
Well, what are you talking about?
Did you say?
You're creating me.
And working from home and working from a location. So I do a lot of writing, and I think when you work in a coffee shop and some of those kind of places, you get more inspiration.
Ohio is bucking the trend. 9.5% of workers work from home at least one day a week in 2010. That's up from 7%.
From the 379. Okay, gotcha. I think the 389 is a good looking truck, man. How's other than the issues you have with the region, how is the truck performing on all the other aspects?
Speed up to get on the freeway, stupid. Now he's speeding up.
What was wrong with that guy? Why isn't somebody investigating him before he goes out on the street and kills people?
What are you doing, driver?
So that's really what he's saying is, don't underestimate it. Right. As a healthcare, psychiatric professional, don't assume that someone is a low threat. Imagine if you're a potential victim.
Come now.
Then how much more strongly would you look at? Exactly.
What an idiot. Make us look bad doing that.
Schools now and connecting all these issues and problems to school problems.